us as a leading provider of clinical diagnostics raw materials. Did you know that we are also a world leader for OEM and contract manufacturing services for the clinical diagnostics industry? From scale-up to bulk manufacturing, our team of experts are ready to ensure your project's success. Our global footprint includes 21 ISO 13485 manufacturing sites with expertise in areas such as molecular amplification, antibody production, large molecule conjugation, protein and enzyme production, and detection chemistry. We are proud to not only partner with some of the world's largest diagnostics manufacturers, but to also help new clinical diagnostics companies navigate and successfully launch the diagnostics products that will transform healthcare. We are passionate about helping our clients achieve success. By partnering with us, you gain access to our comprehensive product portfolio and world-class sourcing capabilities. Our global footprint and economy of scale can accelerate your commercialization and reduce your costs by giving you access to our manufacturing expertise, research and development teams, regulatory expertise, and global warehousing and distribution. We offer complete solutions to your diagnostics manufacturing needs. Do you have a complex situation, hazardous product, or require regulatory expertise? We have the tools and capabilities optimized for your success. Your project will be managed by a team of experts ready to guide you from concept to regulatory clearance to product launch and distribution. We can ship your reagents or kits to your site or globally distribute on your behalf. Our fully traceable and supply chain managed contract manufacturing capabilities include liquid batching and blending, dry powder manufacturing, tablet manufacturing, bulk and vial lyophilization, and kit assembly and finishing. We manufacture both single reagents through finished kits. From small vials to large containers, we have the capabilities to meet your needs, no matter how unique or complex. As a full-service OEM and contract manufacturing partner, we offer a complete suite of QC services and capabilities, including testing individual reagents and kits on your Assay platform. Our quality teams can work with you to determine and develop the best assays to ensure your products perform as intended. Partnering with us means full access to our comprehensive packaging abilities. We can fill and package your materials no matter what size or format your products require. Your project, your needs, and our capabilities are partnered to ensure your success. Learn more about our contract and OEM capabilities by visiting our website or contacting your local account manager.